We're standing here at this absolute unique and stunning property in one of the best streets in Jibang. Properties like this are very rare at the moment. I doubt this one's going to last long. This is number 1 Terrick Street, Jibang. I'm Richard Parker. Come check it out. As you can tell, I was not exaggerating. This is an absolutely beautiful property in such a great spot. This one, I dare say, won't last long. If you want to have an inspection, please do give me a call. Otherwise, we'll see you at the open home.